Hey guys,
welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the Walker family. Today we're at the the gun range, and they got all these animals fur.
Exactly, all these animals.
Look at that bear fur. It's all real.
Look at the
duck.
duck.
Look, this is real fur.
So guys, you can exercise on this thing right here. Guys,
Flip the camera.
this is so cool.
Now show them the real stuff like that.
Look at that.
Show them the bear. They can't see the bear. You gotta pay attention to the camera so they can hear.
That's what their fur feel like.
Y'all don't be showing it. Y'all just
What? They got the animals in. Look at the bear. What's this?
Exercise.
this all real, right?
Yep. They were alive at one time.
We is really touching real animals.
Look at
So
all
guys-
the deers. Show them the deers.
Guys, look at all
look at the
these
camera so
deers.
they can see.
They got a whole bunch of deers.
And we're gonna be showing y'all when they shoot too. So
I want to exercise on this. Somebody hold
look, they
this.
cut all.
Hold.
She gonna exercise. Look at all this. Hold on. This is all real.
Now we know what.
It's in Mardella if you wanna come.
No, it's not.
This was real.
Jada, help.
Yesterday's in Mardella. It's all
No, Jada,
used to be real
turn it around and
animals.
put it on the couch because we about to do some exercise.
On the what?
Put it right there on the couch and turn it around forward. Say, no.
Wait.
Like that, here.
Alright.
So guys, look.
Alright.
Guys. So guys. Ugh.
Put two on one because it's probably not really happening.
Somebody else is turn to exercise.
That's a guys, look at this.
Look at this head. Chloe,
3. 1, 2,
look at her
3.
head.
Alright, guys. Look at this. This was all. Look what they did to it. I think that was a llama or something.
No.
All this fur is
No,
really
Jada.
soft. She exercising. I want to run on here.
Run on it. They don't.
Bree, video us. Show them stuff. Show them the stuff.
Look at this, you guys. It's like
Guys, turn it on.
it's like a horse. Man, look at these.
Yes, it is.
Jada, can you lift me up?
Why? I need to. Why?
That cat scared me.
Where's the hat?
That cat scared.
Show me. Stop. You guys show.
That cat is scared. That cat scared.
Guys, look.
Why?
You want to see a cat, y'all?
That cat's cute.
Look at that cat. You can't be scared. Look at Brianna. Y'all want to see another cat? Where that other cat? I already showed him the cat.
No, not the cat.
They scared the cat.
Bree got scared. Guys, look at this. Guys, look at this gun. So, oh, it's showing me. Guys, look at this gun. It's so pretty. No. Guys, look at all of these guns. Look at this one.
Scared of the cat.
How you scratch yourself?
When I was scared of the cat.
Oh, guys, look at these guns down here. She got scared of the cat, so that's what she got scared of the cat. Look, she bleeding.
Show it. You can't just show it.
Guys, look, Jada's exercising now.
It's pulling.
So guys, I'm
Is it facing you?
yeah.
No, this is hard.
Yes, that hurt.
Bree's about to exercise with this now. She got scared. Wait, show me. So guys, she got scared of the cat.
I think it was $3.
No, it's pulling. Look, it's going by itself.
we're good. It's just cool. That's fine. Thank you. I want to go get them dogs. Yeah, yeah.
Guys, we gotta go.
Look, it's on the right side. Guys, this might be a long video. Guys, tell us if you ever been to the gun range and what was your experience there. Comment down below.
Where are we in?
Because this is our first time.
Where are we at?
The gun range.
No, where is it at? So guys, if you want to come to the gun range, go to Mardella right now. So guys, this chair is so rocky and pretty. And guys, look at this. I don't know what that is, but it's so long. And guys, comment down below if you have one of these. I'm gonna say a shout out to anybody. So, and guys, we were pumped. Look at this. Jada's still exercising. Jada, you can wipe yourself if you get sick.
I ain't wiping myself with that corona. Stop, you can't do that. It's dry.
Guys, look at
Look,
this.
my blood dry.
Her blood dried. Where the other one?
Guys,
So
look.
guys, that's one right there.
Off this thing down.
So guys, I'm about to exercise again. How much she's Guys, look at all of these guns. Look at all of these. All of these.
Got mine. Where's yours?
Damn.
So,
This is cool. Come up here. Guys, this is so cool. We about to go outside.
Put their name down and sign for them as a guardian.
he came in. He's like, no charge for that. I said, all right, go take it. I mean,
No charge for them.
so I went in the next week.
What a cat. Look at the cat. He said if you play with it, you won't have to.
Show them.
Guys, look at the cat. Look at the cat.
Alright.
Guys, that cat is like so annoying. Just went outside.
Can't turn it around to you because you just holding it everywhere else.
So guys, look at these snacks and stuff. I think I showed y'all everything except for bombs. Look at that. Look at this little man. Look like he got a butt face.
I think it's a dog.
Let him get here, and he's going to take you out, and then you go, hey, what's my name? That's
Crowd the coop at the lot.
that work?
These are things that you shoot at with.
I keep that. When you bring the gun back, I give it back to everybody.
Come on.
We're about to go outside. They about to start. They are about to start. We are about to start shooting. Look at these snacks. No, I need to show it outside.
Yeah, show yourself first because you're showing the ground. You hear that?
If you can hear it, comment down below.
They can hear that. It's loud.
Woo!
Don't show the plate because. Ow. That is loud. Okay, let me see. They be up there. That's where they're shooting. I zoomed in, zoom out. Oh shit, he told us to wait for the man. Come on. Oh, come back.
Guys, we gotta go back. Mommy got a gun in her hand.
Look at it. Show him.
Mommy, stop it. Look at it. Mommy. Brianna, she about to shoot you.
Oh, shit.
Mommy, look.
Now the camera pointing that way.
Wait, Mommy, stop so I can video it. Guys, look at that gun.
Turn around. Just talk and say something. So they won't be bored. Do a dick tuck. Classic.
Woo!
Let's go. Ew, Brianna. Chloe, you can show your butt. She's gonna be your butt.
And it's on a YouTube video too.
Hey, Tyler.
Stop. She keep going. Oh, snap. Ow, that hurt.
That's why they give them headphones because
Give us some headphones. They don't even have headphones on. Here, turn around.
no.
You keep showing it on the ground. They don't want to see
I'm not even showing the ground. I'm like this.
No, it was down there. Oh, we still drinking. I forgot. Huh? Not the kids in our family. Show them the bullet. Show them the bullet.
There ain't no bullet.
Show them the bullet.
Did you guys? I suggest you guys grab some urine.
That hurt. Did that hurt your ears?
Oh, darn right.
We get some headphones. They gonna break somebody's ear.
Yup.
He said all of us need headphones because
Let me video. Why you keep doing that?
God, that's Brianna's butt. Brianna, I zoomed on your butt.
Ew.
So guys, we're back in the store. Oh snap! Mom, she said get away from that cat because that cat is crazy.
Ow.
So guys, look at this camera. So we need some headphones.
Because that was loud.
That's
So make sure you keep your TVs down. Because it felt like it was almost.
Brianna, sit in this chair. Sit in the chair. Brianna, sit in. We need headphones. It's some right here. Ah! One right there. We need headphones.
She got them.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, she does.
No,
There's more
what the
than one.
heck are those?
Early, ain't you recording?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, snap. That cat like a statue.
Still going on. What'd she say? Brie. So, guys, look at the headphones.
Here, you need to go.
That's still going on right. Can you hear that?
It's not as loud. But I can hear it. I don't know if hers ain't right.
Can you hear?
That shit don't
This
feel like.
it ain't gonna make you totally locked out,
Huh?
but they gonna hear it. Get an earmuffs.
I can hear wind blowing into her.
ain't one day.
Who getting in there?
That's from back there,
Next.
but
I can still hear you.
watch out, y'all. 500.
So guys, we're getting everything. Let's click, click. Ow, bye. Make sure you click, click. Ow. Make sure you click, click. Bow, bow. I can hear something. I can hear a cat now. Guys, look at Brianna. Guys, look at Brianna's headphones. Oh,
What do you want me to do, dude? And then he came. I was like, dude, you ain't even fucking working.
Let's go.
I started laughing.
Not as loud as it was before. I can hear myself walking on this.
I can't hear myself walk. So there's Jaden. Hop up! Ooh. I don't think y'all can see it very well. Make sure you go to our TikTok channels.
Thank y'all.
Chloe Joelle and Jada K.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Post a tip.
It's dank.
Huh?
Not really.
What? Not really. I can hear it. I can hear it a little bit. You're not supposed to hear it all the way. You're not supposed to. Ow.
I am.
I can hear myself walking.
Don't take the hair out. Don't take the hair out. Don't take it out.
It's just low battery. It said it's on 20%. But we got video y'all shooting first. We're gonna video them shooting, and then we're gonna end the video. Look at all these bullets. That's it's a lot of bullets. It's loud, but you can barely hear it with these. Then we got to end the video because it's only at 20%. We got to end the video at when they shoot because it's only at 20%.
So guys, my mom phone back.
Really busy day.
We go.
On the weekends, yes.
I'm gonna say.
I don't know what you say. Anybody's name will get out shout out. You just got a comment. On the first video
We're about
we
to
did,
end it,
some of
so
the videos
make
say
sure you-
comments are off,
we're about
but
to
tell
end
us
it.
comments how we turn them, well, tell us how you. It's showing us. You missed. Back up.
Who's first? I guess you? You haven't shot this one yet. Yeah, it was the Glock he shot.
Show him.
Same premise. A little differently, mind you. So you're going to put the mag in, do this right here. See how it goes down? Go straight, pull it down like that. And it's aiming it. You're going to just level out these two notches.
So guys, we're on the back shoot.
This isn't going to take nearly.
So we're about to end it
Don't end it.
right now.
Your mom video.
It's at night.
Well, we can't end it now.
she's on fire. Hand a bit higher on the end. There you go.
Show them It's loud.
So guys, we're about to end.
Well, guys, we're gonna show her mom shooting, and then we'll be done with the video.
Yeah. Mom, we about to end it because it's about to go dig. So when Brianna done, I'm gonna video you. So that's when I'm gonna end it. Shout out. So first shout out goes to the end. Bye. It's like,
Alright, so let's move back over here.
why?
Don't lie. You want to shoot right here.
I didn't say why. Let's sit here. She just shoot it. Oh, he's freaking blind.
Gotta pay attention.
So guys, there's my mom. She's the best.
Alright. An outro because her phone's starting to die, so
It's
it's only at 18,
16.
16%. So if we don't do an outro, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to all
So,
the
guys, we might as well do it right now. Oh, my mom.
You keep holding it. You're not even showing nothing.
I am holding.
Yeah, you're holding it. You're not doing nothing. You just keep showing it on your face and on the ground.
It wasn't even on my face.
Yeah, you keep doing it.
I can't hear it like I could hear it the last time.
Well, because it's a very small round. But you know, you're
Keep coming back.
these don't have the strength of the last gun that you shot.
Well, I probably just like that. I like that.
She got to shoot again. And can't pause.
No.
I wish it could.
No, push this.
Aim for the green cylinder. Yeah, the green part of it.
I didn't even know she was.
Just to the left there.
Okay, I'm out of ammo.
Well, I think you're still tensing up, so when you pull the trigger, you're actually pushing on the gun all the way. So when you go to pull your trigger, watch my trigger.
Too much flies.
It is a lot of flies.
Guys, take one.
That's a bug. It's not winning.
So you see how the gun's being knocked in your lock. You just want to pull this.
Guys are bugging me. These flies are fucking bugging me.
These flies are annoying.
These flies are so freaking annoying. Man, these flies are
Lock
annoying.
you had at least your time.
So guys, I'm about to lay this out. Ready to hold this so I can see what that look like. So that's what it looked like. You're supposed to point. You're supposed to shoot right. Where you hanging? You're supposed to shoot right in that X or like around there. That's my mom. I mean, that's a person's head. So guys, I'm about to shoot it. Who is there? Mommy. I'm next after mommy. Woo! We come from different places.
Huh? It's just practice. It's a different gun. The grip is very different from what you're used to.
Mom, these flies are annoying. Why? Don't end it. No. You're not going next.
Finally. So we're going to get her before her phone dies.
Then after we do shoots and shout outs, and we're going to do the
she
shout
done?
out after she's done.
Ever shot before?